Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tata Sumo. First, we begin by constructing the robust ladder frame chassis, which forms the vehicle's foundation. High-strength steel beams are precisely cut and welded together to ensure durability and safety. Next, the suspension system, including springs and shock absorbers, is carefully mounted. Finally, essential brake and fuel lines are securely routed along the frame, preparing it for the next stages of assembly. Moving on, the vehicle's body panels are precisely stamped from large sheets of metal, then expertly welded to create the complete shell. This structure is then meticulously prepared for painting, involving several cleaning and priming stages. A durable, multi-layer paint finish is applied, often including a clear coat for enhanced protection and shine. This process ensures both aesthetic appeal and long-term resistance to environmental elements. Next, the heart of the vehicle, the engine and transmission, are carefully pre-assembled as a single unit. This complete powertrain is then precisely lowered and mounted onto the chassis. Following this, the drive shafts are connected to transmit power to the wheels, and the exhaust system is securely fitted. All fluid lines and electrical connections are meticulously attached, bringing the mechanical systems to life. Finally, the interior takes shape with the installation of the dashboard, wiring harness, and all control systems. Seats, carpets, and various trim pieces are carefully fitted to create a comfortable cabin. The wheels and tires are mounted, and the vehicle is filled with necessary fluids. A thorough quality inspection, including a road test, ensures every component meets strict standards before the vehicle is ready.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.